Sri Abhyasa. Today we learn the unbalanced symptoms, asanas, pranayama, Bijamantra and diet of Sahasrara Chakra. Let's look into the unbalanced symptoms: disconnected from the divine, weak faith, learning difficulties, dogmatic, depression, etc. Now let's look into the asanas. Rabbit pose, Ustrasana or camel pose, Prasarita Padottanasana, Hastamuktanasana, Padangusthasana, Padmasana, Shavasana, etc. The Bija mantra is Om. The pranayama is Nadi Shodhana pranayama, and the diet is purified water, sunlight, fasting, natural detox, etc. Thank you.